Hi, my name is Natasha Davis, and this is my second year at Weiner University MSW program. I would say that my three assets I bring to the program is growth as a professional. I started in the human service field as a direct support professional where I worked one-on-one with clients or individuals where I had to develop myself. And then also, to become who I am today. And I will also say growth as on a personal level, being acceptance of who I am. That is something that is very core values when it comes to developing as an adult. And also dealing with my own trauma and mental health experiences. So I'm able to connect with my clients based off my experiences. And lastly, what I bring my, asset is I am not afraid to fail. I'm very strong and able to and willing to learn. I'm open. I'm rough around the edges, but I'm also can be, a person that can shine and be a diamond in the rough. I'm also the type of person that is able to take leaps of faith and not be afraid of the bumps and bruises. So, yeah. Thank you. Looking forward to successfully completing the program and being fully polished as a social worker, so I can help people in the field with similar experiences and let them know there's also a brighter side at the end of the tunnel. Thank you.